I don't know why, but a lot of you have reached out and said, hey, can you do the Adventure 901 SB? We don't see a lot of walkthroughs on it. And I'm like, hey, I got one. Let's do it. Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Adventure 901 SB. This truck camper is short or long bed, preferably a 1-ton truck. But yeah, some 3/4-ton trucks can do it. It depends on the payload and how much you're willing to spend on your truck. Now, if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, on a truck camper, I spend about 5 to 7 minutes talking about it without any sound effects. What did I say? Sorry. Sound effects, visual effects, or, oh my God, it's so innovative. Oh my God. I'm sorry. As I said, I sound like the Tasmanian devil today. Anyway, so you have the Happy Jack electric jacks front and back with remote control, docking station, 30 amp coach. It does have a sewer dump, so there's not a cassette. And by the way, the reason why I mention that is a lot of you have emailed me, direct messaged me, or put comments asking about that. If you could, I would appreciate it in the comments section. Can you name brands that use a cassette at this size that have a bathroom? Or I'm sorry, at this size that have a bathroom? I'd love to know because I haven't seen one yet. I've seen a lot of the smaller overland campers that have like cassette toilets and a rinse kit, but I have not necessarily seen a cassette on a full bathroom camper. The camper weighs 3,036 pounds, 3-year structural warranty. It is a 4 seasons installation. Now, this does not, and I'm going to repeat this out loud. Let me close the door. This does not have a generator. It does have an air conditioner, microwave, 3-burner stove, oven. You have a 6 cubic foot propane electric refrigerator. The original price we were going to sell it for was $43,596. They've actually discounted it because of 2025 down to 37 grand. So it just kind of gives you an idea that once you get to a certain clearance section, the more popular models have sold so quickly. Like a lot of our Arctic Foxes, some of the other floor plans like the 80RB, the 89RBS, those are more faster sellers as we've seen. We're not quite sure why this one hasn't sold yet, so we're going to try lowering the price and losing a little bit of money to sell it. But it's got plenty of storage. I like the counter space. I really, really like all the little drawers you have. I love that you actually have no waste of space in this truck camper. Where there can be storage, there is storage, especially above the dinette. Love that. You also have storage under the dinette. I mean, just no waste. Ooh, sink covers. There's just no waste in here. I love it. Okay. Now, maybe it's the bathroom, where the location of the bathroom is, but see, to me, that's a little bit bigger bathroom than we normally get in a truck camper. So I like that. A step up into the queen bed, true 60 by 80 with a real closet and nightstands on each side. Now, the downside is you get 2 smaller windows, but there's still plenty of light in here because you got the skylight above. An area to put the TV. You already have solar on top. I mean, to me, it's a great little camper. Got a fantastic fan in the bathroom. And for not having a slide out or a pop out, as you might call it, it's very spacious. So I really like this. Now, in the top right-hand corner of this video, I'm actually going to show you an Arctic Fox that does not have a slide, but it's a short bed 1-ton. Until next time, remember that RV always stands for toolkit and sense of humor.